welcome back to my channel. My name is meribahMUA. Before we get started today, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and also you can follow me on social media at meribahMUA. But today's makeup look is just a very classic glam. Trying out some new products today, just picked this up. But yeah, so I did have a little trouble with this eye today. As you can see, my eye is just like watering like crazy. I don't know why. So I'm just leaving that as it is, and hopefully I can just kind of cover that up with my hair. But some days you just have, you know, runny eyes for whatever, you know, and your makeup just won't stick right, and it is what it is. You just got to keep it moving. So yeah, that happened today, and it was a little annoying, but despite that, my makeup turned out really good. So I'm heading to a wedding, and I am looking forward to hanging out with the family, or my boyfriend's family, and having a good time. So if you want to see how I created this look for as a guest of a wedding, go ahead and keep on watching. What if people literally just stopped wearing eye makeup and lipstick and just went out of the house like this? Would people think that we look weird? Anyways, I look super weird. Alright, you guys, so I already have my foundation and my eyebrows done. So I'm just doing the eyes today. If you want to know what products I use, everything will be listed below in the description box. Today I'm going to dip into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. Some of you love this palette, some of you hate it, and some of you just didn't even bother to buy it because it didn't look interesting. I personally love everything Anastasia Beverly Hills does, even the Subculture palettes I enjoyed, so maybe that's just me finding love in a palette. But you can see here there's a lot of unique shades, but today I'm just going to use the Eden shade, Lure, and the Unity shade, and maybe a little bit of Saturn and Parallel. So we're just gonna work on this today. And to start out with my eyes, I'm gonna be prepping my eyes with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. It's always gonna be the case, so we should just assume that at this point. And I am just gonna quickly buff this all over my lid with my finger. It's getting harder and harder to use my finger since my nails are Dragon Lady long, but I really like them long. I don't know. If I don't have acrylics on, or if they're short, my hands look like 5-year-old hands, so I generally like to keep my nails pretty long. So we're just patting this on. It dries down pretty quickly, so a little goes a long way. I think I've had this for over a year, and look, I have so much. So definitely would recommend getting one of these. This has a yellow undertone, so might be a little too yellow for me, but I use it anyways. I'm going to take this shade Unity and buff it all over the lid, and that is this really chill yellowy beige shade. And I'm just taking this fluffy Morphe brush here. This is the B13 brush. I'm gonna buff this all over the lid just to kind of set that powder. Really simple. This does have a little yellow to it, but that's all right, because again, it's more just using it as a base. A lot of kickback in this palette, I've noticed. So next I'm gonna go into my crease, and I'm gonna use this Morphe M200 brush, and I'm gonna take this corner shade here. This is the shade Lupe. So I'm taking Lupe here, and I'm gonna go in the crease. And we're just using the windshield wiper motion, going back and forth, picking up a little more product for the inside here. And we're gonna do the same on the other eye. Next, I'm taking this pink shade, Eden, this one right here, and I'm just gonna buff that very lightly at the top here. just to kind of warm this up a little more. Next, underneath the eye, I'm going to take this like flat, dense brush here. And I'm going to take the shade, oh my god. So this brush just kaputs, so it's going in the trash. I'm not even going to bother. So let me find a different brush here. Here we go. I'm going to take this little, I think this is this is a color brush. Take this little brush here, and I'm going to take that shade Eden again, and I'm going to go directly underneath the eye here and smoke this under eye out. And then more tightly, I'm going to take the dark brown shade Parallel here, and I'm going to just pop that into the corner and get this a little deeper. And then with this brush again, I'm just gonna buff this out so we're nice and blended. And I did that just to add a little more definition of like the under eye, because we're gonna have some winged liner going on. So now for the fun part. So first, before I even touch the top of my lid anymore, I actually want to pop on some eyeliner on the bottom. So I'm using this Radial Smokey Eye Pen, and I'm going to lift my lash here, and I'm going to put eyeliner in here in this waterline. Looks crazy, and it kind of makes your eyes water, but it just helps connect the lash line and the eyeline. Oh, my eyes are watering. My eye just watered and took off all that eyeshadow right there, so I have to go back in. Yeah, my eyes just keep watering. This is fucking great. Sometimes you just have those days where like your eyes water or whatever, and there's not really much you can do about it. You just gotta keep it moving, so I'm not gonna stress about it. So I wanna highlight underneath the brow bone, so I'm gonna use the Champagne Pop Becca highlighter, and I'm gonna pop this right underneath my brow bone. And then while we're in here, I'm gonna put it in the corner of my eye so I don't forget. All right, so now I'm taking this Stila Magnificent Metal, and this is in, oh my god, I have so much shit all over my hands. This is in the shade Wanderlust. I just picked up the shade yesterday, and it's so pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this all over the lid. I did just take it up a little bit into the crease because I want it to look very blended and reflect off that color that's in the crease. So I'm gonna let this dry down just for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna apply a second coat. Look how pretty it is. Oh my god, it's so pretty. All right, so now I am going to put on my liquid eyeliner and my false eyelashes. So I am gonna do that off camera. So I'm gonna do that off camera really quick, and I'll be right back. Corner of my eye will not stop watering. But the eye look is really pretty, minus this. It won't stop watering, and I don't know why. It's so frustrating. But anyways, shit must go on. So these eyelashes are the Vegas Nay eyelashes by Eyellure. You can buy these in Ulta, I believe, and they're only like, I think maybe like 8 or 10 bucks, maybe cheaper. So yeah, so let's move on to lips. I think I'm gonna go with like a coral lip, just to kind of match the undertone. I did like just like a coral halo around the eye, so I want to match that. And I hope this stops watering by 4 so I can fix it. I'm going to a wedding, so kind of wanted to look perfect, but whatever. So for lips, I'm going to use this lip liner by NYX in the shade Tangerine, and then I think I'm going to use this Ochre lipstick, liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Rio. What do you guys think of this shade? Does it go with this look or is it too light? I think I'll probably add some lip gloss, but I think that'll do. Alright, now for setting my face, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, and we'll go. Alright, so I'm going to finish getting ready and I will be right back. Alright you guys, that completes the final look. Thank you so much for watching another tutorial with me. And don't forget to click that subscribe button before you leave today. And you can follow me on social media at meribahMUA, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye!